Hi everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Guys, this is the reading for the month of March, okay, 2021. Basically, I used to do reading. One second, guys. Basically, I used to do the reading related to the questions, okay. I used to ask. This time I'm just thinking to do a situationship reading because my spirits are telling me to do a situationship reading. This means that you are going through this situation currently into your life right now. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, or it might be related to your love life, okay. So this situation you are going through currently, okay, and there will be things which will be coming out, like in the upcoming months, what it will be happening. So I'll be letting you know, okay. So guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, if you wish to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets, the details are given in the description box below, okay. So yeah, let's check it out. What is your current situation? What are you going through? This is the reading for Aries, okay. Aries, you think that something is not under your control, okay, or you are getting controlled by something, okay. Yeah, this is your current situationship. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, okay. Something happened into your past recently. There was a shock happened into your past recently, which you are unable to focus on, which actually took you off guard. Wow. Okay, so you are not trusting your intuition level more, okay. If your intuition level is correct, you need to focus on your intuition level more, okay, because your intuition will guide you correctly. There are a lot of fights going on either outside into your scenario, or else the fight is going on between your head and heart. What am I supposed to do? How I'm supposed to move forward? What am I need to deal with? Okay, that is your current situation currently, right? Okay, there are a lot of emotions within you right now, okay. It might be related to love life, it might be related to career, it might be related to anything, okay. So you are suppressing your feelings, you are not showing it off to the people, you are suppressing your feelings currently. Yeah, wow. You are integrating yourself within your you're getting a lot of realizations a lot nowadays, okay. You are getting a lot of dreams, weird feelings, anxiety issues, those things you are going through currently. Your heart chakra is healing, Aries. Your heart chakra is healing. You are getting a lot of maturity level, like you are getting a lot of maturity nowadays related to a particular situation. What are you supposed to do? How you want to move forward? It can be anything, okay, but you are going through a lot of maturity. Whatever happened into your past, it taught you a lot, okay, which is very good. You have certain guilt into yourself related to a particular situation. It may be related to your love life, it might be related to your career life, okay, but a lot of guilt you have related to a certain situation, and you think about it, that why I have done this, or why it happened that way, okay. So yeah, okay, a lot of things are been sharing. You are a very you are a kind of a person who shares a lot. You are go with the flow person, you share a lot, okay, but at the same time you are not into your own zone currently, because there is a need of clarity into a situation, okay. So yeah, still you're healing with the third eye chakra. Some of you might be going through a third eye chakra opening, okay, which is giving you a lot of things in life, okay. You are going through some major spiritual awakening, guys, okay. Aries, wow, this is a situation. Nice, let's check it out. This is the situation you are going through. It will take a bit of time for you guys, okay, for getting to know, like, to move forward into your life. Whatever decision you need to make, it will be coming into the upcoming months for sure. Okay, you want to have a certain sort of reconciliation or a reunion with a past person. Okay, there is a past person who you are thinking a lot about, the person who left you out in the cold in the past. Okay, and you are moving on from this. You want to leave the past behind. At the same time, you want, your energy is that you want a reconciliation also into a life. Okay, like, you want a reconciliation on an energetic level, but at the same time you think about what happened into your past, like whosoever left you out in the cold. Okay, um in the past you were, overthinking a lot, you were thinking, analyzing a lot, but now is the time to take action. Okay, in the March you will take a certain amount of actions, like, you have a very impatient energy now, that you need to do something, either hook or by crook. You need to do something into a situation. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, but you need to do something. Okay, you just cannot sit and analyze things. Okay, so okay, sorry guys. Okay, so you will be spending very miserly in the month of March, guys. Okay, very miserly. Currently also you are spending very miserly, so in the month of March also you will be worried about, thinking about your, how to spend money, or you might be thinking to invest into a property business or a land, or few of you might start a new business into a property, land, or real estate. Okay, so yeah, or you guys might think to invest into a property or a land, or purchasing a land, renting out a property. Okay, so yeah, in that way, but you will be, very wisely investing your money into property or real estate things. And also, you, even if there is a purchasing of current things, you will be spending very wisely. Okay, like very nicely, miserly you will be spending your money. Okay, you'll be thinking it twice before investing. Okay, so yeah, you feel very weak into a situation. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. Okay, so yeah, you feel weak into a situation. Okay, so there has to be a decision made. You are confused as fuck. Okay, you're juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. Okay, and there has to be decision made. Okay, you need to make a certain decision, either to your career life or else to your relationship. You are going to make a certain decision. Okay, some major decision you need to make in the upcoming months. Okay, you are waiting for some sort of money related offer, a big offer which will change your life. It will change your life for a better. Okay, and yeah, that offer is coming within 3 months, like, it's March. Okay, like right now it's February when I'm doing your reading, but March, April, May, June. So in the month of June you will get an offer within 3 months, like between now to June. Okay, you will get an offer related to money related thing. Okay, grab that opportunity, I'm telling you that. Okay, so yeah, into your love life, I think that you want a new beginning, or you're waiting for a new beginning, but it's not happening currently, or you are just thinking to move on from a situation into your relationship thing. Okay, into your money related thing, there is an offer coming. Okay, you need to grab that particular offer. There's a lot of instability going on into your money related stuff, and that's why you are very impatient. Okay, you are going to take risk within 4 months related to something, either starting a new job, starting a new business, switching up of a job, or doing something related to career. Okay, so you are going to do something new. Okay, you are going to take a risk to start something new or do something new. Okay, it might be related to opening up of a showroom, opening up of a new business, doing a new job, switching up of a job. Okay, you are going to take a major decision related to a third party situation. Some of the Aries are dealing with a third party situation related to either in-laws interference into a relationship, or a partner interference into a career. Third party can be anything, in-laws, parents, or third lover or neighbor, anything. Third party interference is there into your relationship, and you are going, and that's why you feel weak, that what am I supposed to do? I have to go through that third party situation, or else I have to take my own decision. What am I supposed to do? Okay, so yeah, so you are going to make certain decisions soon. Okay, yes, surely. Okay, yeah, a lot of fights, verbal fights or physical fights are happening, or mental fights are happening around you, and that creates a lot of disappointments into your life. What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to do? I think in the month of March you will take an action related to this problem solving situation, whatever fights are going on, either physically or mentally. Okay, so yeah, a lot of disappointments are there. That is what I'm thinking. So you are going to take major decisions. Okay, what am I supposed to do? Into your financial world, you will take decision before June. Okay, within June. Okay, yeah, there's issue into your married life. Okay, some of you are having disappointments related to a married life, or a long-term connection, or a long-term relationship, because your relationship is not going on well, or someone left you out in the cold in the past. Okay, and that's why you want to have new beginning, but at the same time you cannot do it. You want to have a marriage, commitment, stability, happily ever after into your family, related to overall financial, romance, love, happily ever after overall. But you cannot have it. You are thinking about it, but you cannot have it into a situation, because whatever situation you are going through currently is not that really good currently in the March. Sometimes you just feel that in the past you were thinking that you want to reach out to someone, but now you are thinking you're just sitting, you're not reaching out to someone, you're not investing it in more. You will be thinking to doubling your income in the month of March. How to double the income, how to do an investment, how to invest into mutual funds, or how to from in which way you can get money. Okay, that is what you'll be thinking. Let's see some universal messages. Okay, very tough reading, guys. Aries, what you are going through, financial problems also, personal life problem also, parallelly. Okay, so your universal first message is, I witness the darkness and call on the light with my partner. Thank you, universe, for guiding me to perceive this fear through the eyes of the teacher of love. Wow. The second universal message, when I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. Wow. The third message, I'm the loving energy of the universe. Just universe has your back, guys, so trust the universe. This is all planned by the universe itself. Okay, the fourth message is, joy is the ultimate creator. So just be happy whatever you are going through, because in the month of March you will make some major decisions of life related to a situation, either career or relationship. Okay, and kindly comment down below, is this the right situation going on with you guys also. Okay, bye bye, take care, guys, and kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to have one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, you can check out in the description box below. Okay, bye bye, guys, take care.